Hey folks, just want to keep this quick. I'm giving away free spaces on my Python course for engineers and scientists. This is only over the next 7 days, and then after that, it'll be paid entry only. Now, I'm currently migrating the course over from Udemy, where it's had over 8,000 enrollments, over to my own platform, and I need your help. That's why I'm giving away the free slots. So if you take the course, please leave me a review on Trustpilot. A request to do that will come via email a few days after you enroll. And the course, you'll find more details at the link, but it's really geared for beginners in Python or people who have kind of started that Python learning journey, but it's specifically aimed at engineers and scientists. So number one, it covers the kind of technical modeling and data content that I would want to know straight off the bat as an engineer. And secondly, it's very, very efficiently and quickly taught. So it's a fast-paced course. It's designed to maximize the speed of learning, and it's really designed to fit around a busy work or study lifestyle. So if you do take the course, I hope you enjoy it. Give me a shout, let me know what you think, and hope to see you there. Cheers.